Do you know that today is Guy Fawkes Day?
Yeah.
What is Guy Fawkes? Who is he?
He's the naughty boy that they take the whole Big Ben and the whole Parliament in the whole world. I will go to you.
Okay, so what did he do?
I will throw the fireworks he made.
Oh, how did you know about that one, Zachary? Huh? Who told you about Guy Fawkes?
This, the
Huh?
teacher.
The teacher?
Yeah.
Oh. So what is he going to do to the House of Parliament then?
Destroyed it.
Destroyed it?
Because Guy Fawkes are very naughty.
Is he?
Yeah, he might get villains.
Oh, how about Xander? How do you know about Guy Fawkes, Xander?
You need to do doctors on his way back.
Oh.
And look, these are the fireworks that Guy Fawkes needs. The fireworks make everybody cheer up.
What is it?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for that information, Zachary. So what are you going to draw now? Zachary? Huh?
It's the Parliament.
Ah, the Parliament. Okay, then can you draw the Parliament?
Mommy, Mom.
Yes, Xander.
Get the paper. Then I make Dr. Thompson's robots. No, the paper take the paper downstairs.
Okay, can you keep drawing?
Yeah.
Oh, that's the House of Parliament.
See, that's the flag, the one to Big Ben. Mom, I gotta make Dr. Thompson's robot. Daddy, the paper. Big Ben. Duck. Oh, Mom, there's a door. Done. The Big Ben. That's the one. That's the one. Fawkes name that he needs to learn. These are all the fireworks in town.
Yeah. You know what, Zachary? I thought that you don't know about Guy Fawkes.
Guy Fawkes is a gang. He's a naughty man.
I know, anak. I didn't. Oh, my dear. You're such a clever boy. I haven't, I don't ever expect.
Guy Fawkes' hat.
Oh, I know, anak. I didn't expect that you knew about Guy Fawkes. Aww.
That guy.
Yeah, it's Guy Fawkes, Xander.
Like,
Xander, you don't know about Guy Fawkes today. I think you drew a fireworks. I'm so proud of you, Zachary. Okay, can you continue with your drawing about how Guy Fawkes?
that's Guy Fawkes' face.
I'm so proud of you.
I have a beard. No, look. This is the top hat.
Oh. Why?
Come here, Cinder.
No, Xander is so clever as well.
Look.
Design.
Look, that's Guy Fawkes. Really a big dark mustache.
Xander and Zachary are twins, but even though they're twins, they have a different characteristic and attitude. Xander can read fluently until level 3, of the books. He can read it without even doing phonics. Zachary is really clever on his own as well. Look at that. I didn't expect that, Zachary, that you knew about Guy Fawkes. You're just a little boy, and then you knew about that one. Oh, I'm so proud.
That's the Guy Fawkes in the dangerous town. Just make some fire. This one is not working. I didn't expect that. I need some distance.
So Xander can read fluently until level 3 at the age of 4 years old. Xander and Zachary, this is Zachary.
Mommy,
Yes? Hmm? Mm-hmm.
Yay! Yes, oh no.
Yes? Look at that. What's that then?
That's the whole blue firework and big firework and that firework. All the fireworks in town.
So therefore Guy Fawkes is trying to destroy the House of Parliament. Isn't it? In the 5th of November.
Yeah, they come out and then just in the last year, then this Guy Fawkes the cannon and blast off all the gunpowder.
Using the gunpowder.
That destroyed the whole parliament.
Unsa man na siya, nak? What's that?
The Guy Fawkes, the whole city.
Oh, what's that? The one that you're drawing, the square rectangle. It's that?
There's the gunpowder inside.
Oh, there's a gunpowder inside.
Now I want to make the gunpowder.
Other way, si Fox, yung aso.
There's all the gunpowder inside, and the witch starts destroying.
Destroy.
Yeah. And make some whiz and a whistle and span and the whole world be big, but be smashed too.
Oh, that's
Then you'll be cutting by guards.
Okay. So,
Guard.
and then what happened to Guy Fawkes? Because the guard took him, what did happen to Guy Fawkes?
He be trapped in a road, and he can go down. He's
So what's that then? Unsa man na? What's that, Zan? That's the?
guards.
That's the guard.
These are the old guards.
The old guard. Okay.
And there's just 2 guards in a minute.
Naka-memorize sa story ni
Gunpowder.
Isabel wa.
Now that they listen up, and this the guards are going to like to destroy the whole parliament and guards.
Parliament daw. Naughty day si Guy Fawkes. He don't know about politics.
Unsa? What's that, Zach?
Okay, with
The guy who first smashed the whole parliament once. There's a guy.
Even though noted, Zach, you can talk properly. So who's that?
The guy.
The Guy Fawkes. Do you think Guy Fawkes say sorry?
No.
Really? He didn't say sorry.
Yes. Guy Fawkes is a naughty boy, and he just.
So,
naughty day si Guy Fawkes.
so what happened now to Guy Fawkes? What did the guard do to Guy Fawkes?
Dead. Dead. He dead.
He's dead. Oh, how did he?
subject don't know about the story. The teacher didn't tell the story about Guy Fawkes.
They know too.
Huh?
I want.
So that's Guy Fawkes, the other person then.
Yeah. And they didn't our whole road.
A rope. Oh, is it a big rope?
No, this is tiny road.
And then what did they do with that rope? Zachary.
They open toe. The road in this. He's a bee done.
Beheaded. So where is the rope? Where did they put the rope?
In the rat.
Oh, that's the rope. And then it's where they put Guy Fawkes. Hi, Zachary?
That's my Fawkes.
Oh no. Let me see. Poor Guy Fawkes.
And you say angry.
Ah, Guy Fawkes is angry. So, what happened to Guy Fawkes?
Stand.
He died.
Just be and that's it.
Ah, that's the end of it. Okay, so what are you going to say now? Say goodbye.
Say bye-bye.
So you need to say goodbye and subscribe in our channel.
Please subscribe to our channel.
Come on, you need to say please subscribe to our channel.
London.
Ah, the end. What's that, Zach?
That's the
One.
Subscribe our channel.
Then you say bye.